Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create a hyperlink in Power BI. I'll already see guys how to create a hyperlink in Excel, same as you're going for the Power BI as well. So very simple example. Same, we take a text box here, extend it. Okay. After that, we have to mention the heading like how to create hyperlink. Okay. So hyperlink you can create for any specific object, which one you're looking for, right? Any specific LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, any kinds of object. It hyperlink for any object. Okay. Same way, go to the format, effect, and change the background colors. Transparency can manage, make a dull. If light color you have it. Visual borders. Yeah, I can insert it here. Which color you're looking for in visual borders, and you can make a round corner. How many percent you want to keep the pixel? 19 pixel. This is size format basically. If you border width you want to increase, you can increase the border width as well. So as you can see, so title is ready now. Fine. I want to make hyperlink for any specific object. So first of all, I just Google it. After that, I have to search here. Simple Google, and here I can search the logo LinkedIn logo or any specific Google. Simple click on it, right click, save as image. Okay, like I mentioned, logo. I choose desktop, save it. Now I go to the insert. And insert, you can see the option elements image section. Click on the image, and desktop. I go to the logo. See logo one. I saved it. Open. My image inserted now. After that, we have to resize it first. Okay. After resize, you can see the action option. You have to enable the action option. Click on the action on it. Click on it. And here you have to choose the web URL. Okay. And on the bottom, you have to paste the URL here www dot like linkedin.com. Okay. I copy the URL, Control C, and I paste it here and simply click OK here also. Now, once you over the cursor, you can see Control click here to follow. Control click. So you can see your LinkedIn website will open here. So this is where you can make a for any specific one as you wish. Say it's open now. Same as you can use for the button shapes. You can see the button here like left arrow, right arrow. Okay. And you can see reset, back, information, help, bookmark, blank, like this you can use. So once you take an arrow here, you can see arrow by default go to the top corner. You can manage like this. Okay, same as you go for the back. So back button, once you take it, look at here, make sure hold proper. Okay, same as you take for the shapes. Once you required for page navigation, and also you can use the difference by default coming blue color. So you can take a shapes as well. Okay, guys. So this is where you can make a hyperlink and button you can take and saves. Thank you so much.